Investing in government bonds can provide a relatively safe and stable investment option. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in government bonds. Research and understand government bonds. Start by familiarizing yourself with government bonds and how they work. Understand the different types of government bonds such as treasury bonds, notes, and bills, and learn about their characteristics, maturities, and interest rates. Determine your investment goals. Clarify your investment goals such as capital preservation, income generation, or diversification. This will help you choose the most suitable government bond for your needs. Select a government bond broker or platform. Identify a reputable broker or platform that offers access to government bond markets. Consider factors such as fees, available bond options, research tools, and customer support. Open an investment account. Follow the account opening process provided by your chosen broker or platform. Provide the required personal and financial information and complete any necessary forms. Fund your account. Transfer funds from your bank account to your investment account. Ensure you have sufficient funds to purchase the desired government bonds. Research and select specific government bonds. Within the platform, research and select the specific government bonds you want to invest in. Consider factors such as bond yields, maturities, and credit ratings. Determine your investment amount. Decide how much you want to invest in government bonds. You can invest a lump sum or set up regular contributions to accumulate bonds over time. Place your investment order. Use the broker or platform to place an order to buy the selected government bonds. Specify the bond type, quantity, and desired price.